Hey everybody, it is Friday. Happy Friday. I am here in Galveston, Texas at the PDCA Expo. Sitting here beachside. This is the last night of the expo here, and I'm getting ready to head up to the awards ceremony. Every year the PDCA honors, submitted projects for awards for nationwide, and I submitted 2 projects this year. I am also eligible for Craftsman of the Year of all the painting contractors, which is insane to just be a part of that. So I'm gonna go up there, I'm gonna meet some of my people, and we are gonna see what happens. So fingers crossed everybody, and if I can do this, what I will do is live stream the award ceremony. So Juliano, you're the man, brother. Thank you for watching. I always love it. And Ecclesio Souza, thank you so much, man. Hey everybody, Russ, you too. Everybody, this is going to be awesome tonight, so keep watching, and I will give you updates about what happens tonight. So I thought I'd just show you guys real quick. This is the reason I come down here, and Kale, my right-hand man, and my apprentices, I've been taking notebooks full of notes here, so be prepared for a lot of stuff. I've been drinking from the fire hose. So, all right guys, we'll see you in a bit inside.